putting the wraps on now. Here, or have the wraps around it. That way you're gonna see the bands around the windows. Duplex that's gonna be for rent. So if you're looking to rent something, you can give me a call at 863-410-0877. Pastor Camp, thank you. Thank you. We're on the west side, man. We're trying to make the west side look beautiful. Doors being installed?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Last exterior door to go in. Yes, sir.
Those Tapcons?
Yes, sir.
He's putting Tapcon screws in there to hold the door. This is the other side. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Make no mistake about it. Fencing, T. Gregory, general contractor on the job. This was an old tore down fence. We put up a new fence here. We removed all the trees. We pressed these trees.
Sí, le tengo que poner uno ahí. Está bien, yo lo jalo para afuera y lo pongo de nuevo. Ok, voy a entonces hacer allá.
Okay, you can see right here where the thing is cracked a little bit, so they put a wire over it. So that way, if it splits, it doesn't tear up the stucco. It's pretty smart, right?
Jamie, on the sawhorse, I got more nails. Let me get the nails.
The big ladder inside. Man, you the man.
Oh, you the man.
Why you say that, man?
rip a 2x as thick as this, and then screw it on from here. Gotcha. Screw it into the block and just paint it. Yeah. This here.
That's just a ground.
Yeah, you have to put it back on the wall when we're done.
Yeah, just take it off. That's just a ground.
Usually you just put 1x. But I'm saying, so he can use it probably with these two. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll put 1x off, and he can just throw it off. On the inside of the bead, there's that hole in the ice. Yeah. And the whole house all the way around. Actually, Santos stuck in the house. Yeah. Up in Haines City. Big house. It's like almost 80 feet wide by 36 feet deep.
Hello. Yeah. Number 1.